Okay. Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. Look at the US markets. Just like Indian markets yesterday, US markets were too volatile and Dow future was about 150 point minus before the market opened. As soon as the inflation data came, it shot up 350 point. Then from there it came down 500 point. Again we shot up 300 point, making a huge move. But at the end of the day, Dow was down. Out of the last 8 trading sessions, Dow was down for 7 trading sessions. So this shows that there is some problem. Probably this debt ceiling may be another big issue. However, Nasdaq was significantly higher. That's mainly because of some stock specific news about Google and Amazon. So if you take out Google and Amazon, Nasdaq would have been negative. So Asian markets as usual not following the US markets. So Asian markets has been mixed for so many days, either flat with positive bias or flat with negative bias, no big moves. SGX Nifty, so higher by 50 point. So Nifty 50 is higher by 50 points. But yesterday also FIIs have bought heavily, domestic institutions have sold heavily. So this alternate bout of buying and selling by two set of people creates a huge volatility. Anyway, the Nifty rallied non-stop from 16,800 to about 18,350. So this kind of profit booking is bound to happen. Open interest, 18,300 put option as the highest open interest, and people were convinced about today's move. Because even by looking at the US option prices, yesterday US markets were not supposed to make a bigger move. In fact, I think for the last 5.5 months, S&P 500 has not moved more than 2%. I think only on one trading session, S&P 500 moved more than 2%. So the people expected some range bound move, so they sold 18,300 put option heavily. Karnataka state election exit poll results, as expected, it was confusing. So many people throwing so many different pictures, and we will get clarity only on Saturday. So Saturday afternoon. So Monday markets may move violently. But somehow now I feel that this Karnataka state election, the impact in the stock market may not be very big. But it remains to be seen. Monday is definitely, I don't want to carry positions. So premiums are moving, expecting higher volatility going forward. And Nifty June series 19,500 is already trading more than 20 rupees. So you can imagine the kind of optimism that is being built. So L&T came out with the results. So I think the results missed the street estimates. So this stock has been a very, very strong performer for the last many months. So they may come under slight selling pressure. And another interesting stock is Reliance Industries, now trading closer to 2,500. So if it trades closer to 2,500, that is where I will get my maximum profit for my positions. But it looks it may cross 2,500. So Asian Paint and Eicher Motors will be declaring the results today. So those stocks will be in focus. And another important stock, IndusInd Bank. I don't know what is happening in IndusInd Bank. Every day keeps moving higher. For last few trading sessions, I think it has shot up very nicely, more than 100 rupees. That is almost 10%. So Bank Nifty outperformance is one of the reasons is IndusInd Bank, but though weightage is very, very little. And another thing, on one side IndusInd Bank keep moving higher, on the other side PSU banks keep falling. And look at State Bank of India, continuously falling for the last 3 trading sessions. But stocks like Bank of Baroda falling even more. So next week will be very, very crucial as State Bank of India will be coming out with the results. So any recovery in PSU banks will help Bank Nifty to cross 43,500. So expect huge volatility, especially today is a weekly expiry. The volatility tends to be higher. And one of my friends asked me, sir, markets have been very, very volatile for the last few days. Can you explain the phenomena in very short, in bullet points? I said, okay, now tell you, global cues good, FIA buying, retail people take long, and domestic institution book profits, short sellers join, and the retail people exit, and then FIAs enter, and then short sellers cover. So this is the story for the last many trading sessions, and I'm expecting the same story today. My market may gap up, it may go another 20-30 point higher than what SGX Nifty indicated, and then there will be a sudden selling and short sellers will join. Market will come down significantly, 80 to 100 points in Nifty, and then FIAs will enter, short sellers will cover. So the market recovers about 50-60 point and close higher. So let us see whether this plays out today. But one thing is sure, market's going to be highly volatile today also. So let us hope 18,300 is held today. So now Nifty is likely to close between 18,300 and 18,500. So again, this is just my gut feeling. So I have the right to be wrong. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.